let me tell you something strange and oddly powerful. Sometimes it's not the big dramatic choices that shape our lives, but the quiet habits we do without thinking. You brush your teeth, right? Hopefully. Maybe you take your vitamins. Stretch your back before you stand up. But what about washing? Not just rinsing off in the shower, but mindfully tending to the parts of the body that actually protect your health? Here's the truth most folks don't talk about. As we age, personal hygiene isn't just about looking fresh. It becomes part of disease prevention. It affects your skin health, your immune response, even your energy. And yes, some parts of the body matter more than others. So today, we're diving into 5 places on your body you should wash daily if you want to live a longer, healthier life. And I promise, one of them will surprise you. Welcome to Wisdom for the Elders, the channel where we embrace aging with knowledge, confidence, and a positive mindset. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our wonderful community of lifelong learners. Let's start with something simple but overlooked: skin folds under the arms, behind the knees, under the breasts or belly, even between the toes. As we get older, skin loses some of its elasticity. It folds more. And those warm, damp pockets, they become breeding grounds for bacteria, fungi, and irritation. Ever heard of intertrigo? It's a common inflammation that shows up in skin folds, and it can turn into infection if neglected. It doesn't just itch, it zaps your energy. It slows you down. So give those folds a little attention each day. A warm washcloth, gentle soap, and even a quick dry afterward. It's simple, but it matters, because you're not just washing sweat, you're preventing chronic inflammation. I once met a man named Alonso on a train in Portugal, 68, a former nurse. He said, "Clean folds, clear conscience." That's how I keep walking tours fun. The belly button, yes, that little indentation we often forget is there. It turns out your navel is a cozy little harbor for bacteria. In fact, studies have shown it can harbor dozens of species if not cleaned regularly. Why? Because it's often missed in the shower. And while that might not seem like a big deal, neglected buildup can lead to infections, rashes, or even cysts. Give it a little love. Warm water, maybe a cotton swab once in a while. It takes seconds, but it keeps your skin healthy and your body better protected. It's one of those things, out of sight, out of mind. But the little things add up to longevity. And that's kind of the point, isn't it? Not just living longer, but living better, lighter, freer. You got places to go. Don't let a dirty belly button slow you down. The scalp is often treated like an afterthought, especially if we've lost a bit of hair over the years. But your scalp is skin. It breathes, it sweats, it holds tension, and it needs care. Buildup from sweat, oil, and dead skin cells can not only cause itching and flaking, but also contribute to skin infections. Even if you don't shampoo daily, a gentle scrub with water or a scalp brush can make a huge difference. Think of it like tending a garden. A healthy scalp promotes circulation, keeps inflammation down, and even helps regulate body temperature. Plus, there's something grounding about massaging your own scalp. It reconnects you to your body. When I traveled through Bali, I saw elders getting daily scalp massages at open-air spas. One man told me, when your head is calm, your whole body listens. The back is tricky. It's hard to reach, easy to skip. But think about this. Your back is one of the largest areas of skin on your body. And because it's often pressed against chairs, beds, or clothing, it traps sweat and oil. Not washing your back regularly can lead to clogged pores, irritation, and infections, especially near the shoulders and lower back. Use a soft bristled back brush or a long-handled cloth to gently clean this area. Even a short stretch in the shower can help you reach it. Don't wait for an itch to remind you. Clean skin breathes better. And when your body breathes better, it moves better. As one elder I met in Spain said, "My secret to staying limber? Clean back, clean conscience." Feet do more than carry us. They connect us to the earth. Yet they're often ignored. We rinse them in the shower, sure, but washing them well, between the toes, around the nails, under the arches, is crucial. Fungal infections, calluses, and bacterial buildup often start in neglected feet. And for older adults, foot health impacts balance, posture, and confidence in walking. Clean feet feel lighter. They ground you. On a hiking trip in the Scottish Highlands, I met a woman in her 70s who told me, "I take care of my feet like they're old friends because they've carried me farther than anyone else ever has. So honor your feet. They've earned it." Taking care of your body isn't vanity. It's a kind of quiet gratitude. These small daily acts, washing the folds, tending the scalp, massaging the feet, aren't about chasing youth. They're about honoring the present moment, about giving your body the attention it deserves for carrying you through this life. So the next time you reach for that washcloth, do it with intention. You're not just cleaning skin, you're sustaining energy, freedom, and longevity. And if you found value in this, join us here at Wisdom for the Elders. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little reminder to care for themselves with love.